What is up, Crown Vic crew? Welcome back to CVPI vlog number 33.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you.
Now this Jeep sucks ass, just saying. But it's my ride today, so gotta talk nice about it.
Send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling.
Alright guys, so as you guys can see by the title, yes, I bought a gun. But as you guys just saw, it's not really a real gun, obviously not. It's an airsoft gun. And the reason why I'm vlogging about this is because I want to try to bring airsoft back into my channel. Now, the last time I made an airsoft vlog was back when I had under 50 subscribers or under 100 subscribers. So that was a long time ago. The video didn't do that good. I think it got a couple hundred views, but I never did it again. I always stood mainly about my car. And a lot of you guys say, you know, you should try doing different types of vlogs, different life vlogs. So when you don't have things to film about your car, you know, obviously my channel is still going to be about my car. You know, I have some skits. I have a video of somebody cutting me off and almost hitting me. So that'll be, you know, I have a whole bunch of videos about my car, you know, all lined up. But, we got to wait for beautiful days like this. As you guys can see, it is a beautiful day. It's warm out. But I decided to incorporate airsoft a little bit into my channel and see how you guys like it. Now, as you guys just saw, I just bought a new M4A1 CQBR. That's what they call it. It's a freaking really long name for an airsoft gun. But anyway, yeah, I bought the gun because, long story short, I've been doing airsoft for about 5 to 6 years now, and I haven't bought a new airsoft gun for a long time. The last time I bought an airsoft gun was about, I don't know, 3 years ago, 4 years ago, so it's been a while. So, long story short, I got my buddy into airsoft the other night, and he said, you know, I got my tax money in, let's go, I want to buy a new gun, let's go, I just want to buy one so that we can go play. So the next day, I looked up some guns for him, some decent guns, because I know a lot about airsoft, I know how to, you know, fix everything, you know, the companies, what's good, what's bad. So the next day, went to Dick's Sporting Goods, picked up this gun that I have right now, really good gun for the price, so he ended up buying it. I was like, you know what, no, I shouldn't do this, because I wanted to save up for the vlog camera. But I said, you know what, screw it. It's only 130 bucks, and I went out and I bought it. So, because this Saturday we're actually going into the indoor airsoft arena. Apparently they redid the whole thing. They remade it. It's supposed to look newer, bigger, whatever. So we're gonna go check it out this Saturday. So if you guys enjoy it, if you guys want to see it, let me know down below in the comments. I'll do a vlog about it. Here is the gun itself. Like I said again, this is an M4A1 CQBR carbine. So it's basically an M16, an M4, just shortened a little bit. It's got the shorter barrel. So this gun is really cool because everything inside of this gun was metal. It is metal. All the internals are metal. You got the barrel that's metal. And obviously I put a couple attachments. I got my red dot sight, I got my laser sight, bipod, and then this right here is what they call a BB catcher. You have to have this on at all times because, as you guys can see, it's orange. Your gun fires by, you know, whatever reason, the bag will catch it. But anyway, yeah, just real quick, I bought this gun because my old gun, which was actually the same exact thing as this, but just a little bit bigger, it was called the 416. Sure, if you guys know weapons and stuff, you guys will know what that is, but the 416 is basically just a lot longer, same body, M4 body style, just a lot longer, and that was all plastic, so it didn't perform well. This one performs double at the performance of my old one. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little background. But yes, I know you guys are thinking, and I know, here come all the haters. You're gonna bring airsoft guns inside of this car? Isn't that a bad idea?
Just do it!
Whether they're airsoft guns, these are not real weapons, they're airsoft. And I went airsofting once before, my airsoft vlog that I think I deleted from my channel, but my airsoft vlog that I had on this channel actually brought me and my 2 cousins, and they all had airsoft stuff. They had all airsoft gear, and we all loaded it up into my car. Now this is, I think, last year, so, and yes, it did feel a little sketchy. We were all suited up in army clothing, ready to go airsofting. You know, we weren't doing anybody any harm, we weren't, you know, pretending to do anything bad. We were just going there to play airsoft, and we had about, like, I don't know, like 4 assault rifles and like 7 pistols, a ton of BBs, propane. Just imagine getting pulled over with that. It would look very weird. Now, obviously, I don't have a criminal record. I don't have anything bad. They're not real weapons. They're airsoft guns. You know, we didn't have the magazines in them, stuff like that. They were in the trunk. But it did feel a little weird hauling all those weapons inside this car, just for the fact that if you did get pulled over, which I didn't have any reason to get pulled over. I wasn't doing anything wrong. Like I said, again, I don't have a criminal history or anything like that. But it would feel a little bit weird. So this Saturday, we're actually going to be taking my buddy's Jeep. Nah, this Jeep sucks ass. And we're going to go indoor airsofting. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys would like to see more airsoft videos. Obviously, this really isn't it. God damn it, bus. Really? What? A bus with flames? I'm not even going to comment. Oh! But anyway, yeah, let me know if you guys would like to see more videos on airsoft. I think a lot of you guys really like it, because a lot of you guys, you know, want to be, you know, police officers, or you guys, I don't know. A lot of the people that watch my videos, and they're not a loud truck. A lot of people that watch my videos, you know, they play games or, you know, LSPDFR and stuff like that, and they like, you know, airsoft, because when I post it on my Instagram story, a lot of you guys are like, oh wow, you play airsoft too, that's so cool, blah blah. So I think you guys will really enjoy this. So yeah, just let me know down below. We'll probably do a couple more things that I actually haven't shot it yet, so we'll probably take it out in my backyard or something and just shoot it, see how it performs. Like I said, again, it's all metal, so it should perform very well, very, you know, solid built construction. And if you guys want a link to this weapon, I won't put it down yet. Let's say this: if you get 100 likes, I will do an official review on this gun right here and why you guys should buy it, because it is a solid gun for first-time airsofters. I'm not a first-time airsofter, but like I said, again, I'm saving up for that vlog camera. I want to perform, you know, do better content for you guys, and I just need a new gun that was cheap and it's going to perform well, and this is the one. So 100 likes, I will do an official review on the M4. Here we go again. M4A, is that M4A1 CQB carbine? That's what it is. You know, I'm just gonna call it the M4, okay? And if a lot of you guys play Rainbow Six Siege, aka this is Jaeger's gun, just to throw it out there, same exact gun, but his butt stock's a little different. This is, you know, the standard butt stock. But yeah.
Darling, you send me. I know you do. 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 Send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me.
Alright guys, so it's loaded, we're ready to go. I'm doing this with one hand because it's just going to be a quick, you know, I don't want to make this, you know, an official review or anything. Like I say, again, 100 likes will do an official review, but so try not to get Jack too close. He's scared of it, but he will follow, as you guys, yeah, see? So, Jack, move. You can't be back here. Always make sure you guys wear protective goggles and stuff when you guys play. So as you guys can see here, this is a crappy old van that we just got laying around in the back. So I'm going to shoot at it. This battery isn't fully charged, so it might not shoot at peak performance, but I'm going to get it close here so you guys can see. Yep, battery's definitely dead. Yep, battery's definitely dead. Should have charged it before I shot it, but there it is, guys. One more time. I gotta go charge the battery now, so. It does do a little bit of damage. You guys can see a little bit of paint chip there. Not even full battery either, but so you guys can see all this right here is from previous guns and stuff. So my G18 stands for Glock 18. I'm pretty sure you know, guys, what it is. It's actually propane powered, and it definitely packs a punch. Obviously, it's at, you know, medium close range, so. And back here, I shattered the whole window with my Desert Eagle that I had. Obviously, a BB gun. But, yeah, they definitely pack a punch. It definitely hurts when, you know, you're playing airsoft. Even though you have all that padding on, you still feel it. But, you know, that's why they have a lot of rules and regulations when you go to these airsoft places and stuff. Your gun can't shoot over 450 feet per second, or else you have to either use heavier BBs to make it, you know, drop the FPS down a little bit, or you got to pull the gun out. So. But luckily all my guns pass regulation. I'm not sure if this one will pass regulation, but we'll see when we get to the airsoft place. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of shoot it. I mean, even though I knew it was kind of a dead battery, you guys really can't see the full potential of it. But these BBs that I use, they're 100% biodegradable, so if I wanted to right now, I could just dump them and they'll biodegrade into the earth. So that's good. You know, they're not harming the environment or something. They're not plastic. They're biodegradable. So that's what's good about those. Alright guys, so that's going to end off the vlog here. A little bit of a shorter vlog. I didn't want to make it too much about this, you know, the airsoft gun, just in case you guys really don't want to see it or like it. But I think a lot of you guys will. It'll expand my, you know, my channel a little bit, grab some other, you know, people who maybe like airsoft and like, whoa, he has a ex-cop car, that's pretty cool, let me watch some of his, you know what I mean? It kind of expands a little bit. So I hope you guys really did enjoy it. Like I said again, I didn't really go crazy in depth with this video because I just want to test it out. But if you guys really do like it, drop 100 likes. I'll do an official review, much better shooting video. Maybe I'll even go to my grandparents' farm where they have 100 acres and just shoot it at freaking targets and stuff over there. But yeah, let me know down below in the comments if you guys want to see more of these videos. And yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog off here. I hope you guys did enjoy it, and if you guys did, make sure to like, comment, and smash that subscribe button. You guys have been killing the subscriber game, and I cannot thank you guys enough for it. But yeah, like I said again, we got a couple more videos lined up for the Vic as well. I had some lady cut me off actually a couple days ago, and it's going to be a really short video, but it just goes to prove that a lot of people think that just because I drive an ex-cop car, stuff like that don't happen because people always think we're cops. That's not the case. Some lady from freaking Texas or something, she had a giant sticker on the back of her car that said like Southern Pride or something like that. She literally had no freaking clue I was there. It literally could have hit me if I wasn't paying attention. She would have hit me. But anyway, yeah, I'll have a video on that soon, and I'm going to shut my mouth now. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day, and I will see all of you guys in the next one.
It's delicious.